So just stretching it. Nice. That one went finally. The toe is still too tight to go. Where are you from?
Good.
Good. You're lucky having young feet. Mine are getting old and worn. Well, because yours are in a lot better condition than mine. 56 years of living. Mine are a little bit on the rough side. Just getting into all these different tendons here is really good too. All the bands coming up. It's the kind of thing you could do just kind of like whenever you get a chance and you're sitting around, either just keep an eye on the kids or, you know, just do some work on yourself to keep yourself looser. Even if it's half an hour, 45 minutes. Each time you just, you know, I already feel the benefit from that. Better circulation, looser, you know. Oh, it's tight in there. It's the upper little toe band. Outer. That's going to be tension that can come up and cause sciatica as well. So from the little toe side. All right. So yeah, it's been like 40 minutes or something. Oh, nice click in the big toe. That was cool. Just move the toes around. As you do it, things get easier, things get less charged, you can get in deeper. As long as the kids are playing peacefully, then I can just keep working on it. That's a really intense spot right there as I'm coming up. So I'm just using my knuckles and softening it up, tendering a bit. Stretching toes like that, putting pressure points. Tried to put this green towel over so the kids met. And their toys everywhere. A chaotic toy room. But yeah, I've been meaning to do a self-massage video, so I thought, well, This is good time. Let's get this other tool again here. So I move around a bit, gives me a little break from intense spots. I just can't get that deep of pressure into my fingers, so I just bottom little toe channel, band, whatever we want to call it. Yeah, I'm definitely getting deeper now. Kind of intense. I'm working basically up to my level of intensity that I can handle. The more intense you can go, the deeper you can get in. Hard to get into your own heels, but with this tool you can actually kind of get in there a bit. Just going about as hard as I can here. Oh, spot's charged. Oh, again, just letting go of any tension I'm holding. Feeling anything with this fine pointed tool, it's hard for things to escape it once you get in there deeply. Oh. You have some very sharp tools like this one too that I sometimes use. Really good for going through that calloused skin. Tight area through here. Oh, oh. Oh, that's a charge in there. Oh. Of course, some people aren't going to like this. It could be a bit intense, but you know, get used to it. Best thing is just a deep breathe, like I say. Let's go. Kind of pull it down. What else have we got? Got another bag of tools here. This one's interesting. Oh yeah, this guy. What else we got? This one. Yeah, we can get into some pokey things now. Whoa. Yeah, this is feeling that. It's really good to loosen up around this joint here and this joint here. When I was lawn mowing a lot, joint got very stiff. We have a big property. Yeah, I like that. Once you've warmed yourself up, these precision tools can be very good. Cool. Oh, around the ankle, yeah. Man. I actually went to Washington, D.C. in December and was walking so much, and this ankle actually swelled up. I had a lot of injuries when I was a kid, a teenager. So it feels kind of good. Yeah, it's like acupuncture or something. But it gets a bit too sensitive as I come up here, so I want something more blunt. Maybe this one. So stretching back and forth. Yep, little click. Deep breathing. I'm just moving it a bit side to side, using fingers to get in there a bit. Ankle. Nice. That was my big toe joint in here. So yeah, I think it's one of the most important things you can do for your health actually is to gradually keep your tension out of your feet as much as possible. I mean, tension kills, if you ask me. Slowly but surely suffocates you. Yeah, sometimes I think when you're a massage or massage therapist, you end up working on other people so much and you forget to work on yourself. It's the same as being a parent. You end up spending so much time working on your kids and doing stuff. So I can stretch at the same time. Bring my foot like that and just stretch the toes now that I've worked on them. Back, forth, like that. All right, well, that's my little session for myself today.